Here's a short tutorial on how to increase your beard growth. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise increases testosterone levels, which can promote beard growth. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, most days of the week. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals can promote beard growth. Make sure to include foods such as lean meats, fish, eggs, nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables in your diet. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help keep your skin and hair healthy, which can promote beard growth. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for overall health and can promote beard growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Reduce stress. High levels of stress can affect hormone levels and slow down beard growth. Practice stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Try beard growth supplements. There are several beard growth supplements available on the market that contain vitamins and minerals that can promote beard growth. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements. Be patient. Beard growth takes time, so it's important to be patient and not expect immediate results. It can take several months to grow a full beard. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to find a routine that works for you and to be consistent with it.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.